Hello friends, I am Trishla and today again I am going to start with experiments related to atmospheric pressure. So for the experiment we will need the following material. So first we will need a bottle, then small bottle we will need. Secondly we will need a plate and water. Now we have to take the bottle and we have to make small pores in it, small holes you can say, with any tool, a needle or any other tool. Now we have to pour the water in the bottle. As we all know that the water will come out as there are many holes. Okay, so now you can see that the water is coming out from the bottle. You can see clearly. Trishla, I am handovering to you. So you can see that the water is coming out through the bottle. As the water comes out from the bottle, but when we close the lid, the water stops coming out. This is due to atmospheric pressure, that the air exerts pressure. So Trishla, when we open the lid, the water comes out, and when we close, it stops coming. This is due to atmospheric pressure. That when we open the lid of the bottle, the water comes, and when we close, it stops coming out. This shows that air exerts pressure. So that was the experiment. After a second experiment, for the second experiment, we will need a glass. Secondly, we will need another glass and water and a cardboard. You can see the cardboard right here. We have to cut a square out of a cardboard to keep the Trishla has bought the plate right so that it doesn't get messy. So I've cut out I'm going to cut the squares from this cardboard for both the glasses. One for Trishla's glass and one for mine. Now I'm going to put the water in the glass and fill it till top because I'll tell you soon. I filled the glass. I filled the glass with the water till top. Right, Trishla?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to put the cardboard over and align the cardboard full in the water. So we have to align it fully. If we will not align, the experiment will not be done, and then we have to flip it back. Trishla, you can see?
Yeah.
Okay. So I have left my hand. You can see I have just hold the glass and the water is not falling from the cardboard. Why does this happen? This happened due to atmospheric pressure. But first, Trishla will try this experiment. Then we will explain you what happens. Trishla, are you ready?
Yeah.
Put the cardboard over the glass and align the cardboard, okay?
Fine.
You have to press it hard so that all the corners stick to the cardboard, okay? So do this. So press it hard so that the cardboard align with the water and it will be easier to do the experiment, okay? So if you will not align it, the experiment will not be done and all the water will come out and it will be messy and maybe your mama can scold. So Trishla, can you see that it's done?
Yeah.
The water is not coming out. You hold it, please. Hold it hard. Don't let it down. Okay. So are you enjoying the experiment, Trishla?
Yeah, that's really very exciting. Try this at home with your friends.
Okay, so let me tell you the signs. When we flip it back, the air from all the surroundings presses the cardboard hard and the cardboard stays there and the water doesn't come out.
This is due to air exerts pressure and atmospheric
pressure. So I hope you enjoyed the experiment. We will be back.